3 days ago, there was no flowers. Nothing but buds. Look at that, what 3 days does. Isn't this beautiful? It's amazing.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
When we were in courtside at the big tent, there was a booth there, and I don't even know what the booth was about, but you spun a wheel and you won a prize. And I got this little shelving unit. It's very lightweight. And so I won this, and I didn't need it in the RV. So I thought, okay, this will go great in the office / craft room. And so I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and got these little bins, and I can put my stamps away. Whoops. Need 3 hands. There we go. And it just looks a whole lot neater. So I've got stuff all over the floor, trying to get things put away. So all the bins. I still need to put one up here and move this stuff, but it helps make it a little neater in here and doesn't look as cluttered. So yesterday when I went to Dollar Tree with my sister, there were baskets with clearance. Did you know that Dollar Tree has clearance? Once in a while they do. Well, they had these great big bags that says hazardous waste on it. However, inside there were 10 packages of these cool little tea lights like this.
Now, are they battery or solar?
They're battery. Little tiny batteries, I'm sure, the little button ones, for 50 cents. So like 5 cents a package. So I don't know, maybe they're discontinuing them, or they're discontinuing them because all of their new packaging has like the price on it, because Dollar Tree's $1.25 or $3 or $5. So that could be it too, that they're trying to discount, get rid of all their packaging that doesn't have a price on it. So pretty good deal. 50 cents for 10 packages of these cute little lights. They'll be great at Christmas time. Gotta love even a better deal at Dollar Tree. Kids books.
Kids book.
Aw, this was mine when I was a kid. Look. Very gorgeous.
Why does this not surprise me?
Hey, look.
Yeah, we need to save that.
Yeah. Yesterday, we spent like the whole day at our storage unit going through things, replacing boxes with good bins, and we filled up the car with stuff because there's still a lot of boxes that we need to go through. So we filled up the car with stuff we needed to bring back.
Oh my God.
I know. So this here has some pillows that Wendy and Kevin need for the RV.
For their RV.
For their RV, because it is
New to them RV.
new to them, and it's got, you know, bedding on it, or doesn't. It has a bed with nothing else.
It has a Brooklyn bed.
A Brooklyn bed.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
They said, should we get rid of this? And it was like, hell no. Woo.
So we kind of jam-packed your little car
Yep.
down with stuff, and we're going to go through it, and we're going to actually throw out what we don't want.
There's a lot of stuff for either donate or garage sale, which they're planning on having another one here.
Yeah.
So we've got a bunch more of that kind of stuff. We've got movies, DVDs that we're going to go through, and whether we watch them or pass on. So it's just stuff here and there, and I just kind of threw loose stuff in here that I come across that don't want, that we're gonna give away. A bunch of scarves I made that we're gonna donate. Oh, rubber stamps. Those are from like the 90s.
Wow. What's in there? Oh, these are those lanterns.
Oh, yep. These are these lanterns.
Take,
These are really
take
cute.
one of those out.
So we got these from Tom's mom and dad. And,
Many, many, many moons ago.
Yep. And they take, 4C batteries it looks like. But they're just so cute. We had 2 boxes of them. And we really haven't done anything with them. They've been in storage for a long time. I think part of it was they were really hard to open up.
And it was just something that we really didn't need to carry with us in the RV
No.
in our travels.
But we're going to see if Kevin and Wendy want them for their cool outside, out-yard patio. They might want them.
And if not, they go to the garage
And
sale.
knowing Kevin, he knows the way to open them up.
Yeah.
So, like I was saying, some scarves that we can give away.
That you've made.
Yeah, scarves that I made that I used to sell on our website that we closed down. I found some important papers and files that Tom needed. And I think just some, our Enterprise movies.
Bunch of
Yep.
DVDs. We're going to see which ones we want to keep, which ones we don't want to keep. And the ones that we don't want to keep, we'll either try to sell at the garage sale, or we're going to just see if family wants them.
Yep. And I still think we should keep this with us. This is your dad's flag from his funeral ceremony.
From the 50s.
Yep. From the Navy.
Does that have a year on it?
Let's see.
Should be like 1956, 1957, 1953. Oh, the picture.
That picture,
That was when
yeah.
he was. That was during the Korean conflict.
Yeah, I think we put this picture in here when we went through all of those papers.
Yep, May of 1953 when he was in the service.
But this paper,
That's
there's
okay.
nothing on the back of it. Oh, maybe on this envelope.
That's okay. 4-cent stamp
How about that?
from the White House. Can't see the year?
No.
1950 something.
Yeah, can't see it. Darn it. Darn it, darn it.
Oh well.
Oh, well. But anyway, I think we should keep this with us.
Yeah.
So, we came across a few important things that need to
there
be
you go.
with us, or at least closer at hand. So I had us scheduled for going to storage again today. However, we did really make a lot of good progress yesterday, and we need to empty the Kia. So this is our project today, is to find homes and categorize and put everything away that needs to. And we have even stuff that we've already taken into the house from the first time we went over to the storage unit that we still need to go through. So we have a very, very busy day.
Yes, that I need to go through, that's sitting in there.
Yep.
So we will get that done promptly
Yep.
today.
Well, yeah. We have to, because tomorrow I have to pick up my sister and my mom from the airport, and I need to have the car empty.
In this. Okay.
Yep.
There you go.
There you go. All right. Hey, let's go look at some of the cactus that we have here.
Oh, let's wait till you see this. So, tell me about this little prick.
So, this little guy started out like this little guy. This is a separate piece right here. And this one was probably about that size when I just stuck it in the dirt, that piece, and then this piece came a little bit later. Kevin and Wendy transplanted some prickly pear, and these pieces just kind of fell off. And I just picked them up and stuck them in the dirt, and they are going crazy. So this little extra arm right here
Ouch.
just recently grew from a spot like that little pink spot down there.
See that? I don't know. Hopefully
Yeah,
it's
I
showing
can't
up.
point to it too good,
Yeah,
but
don't touch.
that little pink spot down there was something like this. And then this, I mean, just since we've been here, the month
Yeah.
that we've been here, this has grown a lot.
And we don't travel with this. We left it here.
No, we leave it here, so it goes through winter. It gets snowed on, and look at it, it's going crazy. And there are 2 flowers that are getting ready to pop open.
Look at that.
And we're going to take you up on the hill and show you the bushes that it came off of, and how many buds are on those plants up there.
And this is part of their backyard, their lush backyard. As we go up the hill, up the yard, look at all the greenery.
All this right here, this is all natural that you find up here in the desert. And in the springtime, it flowers with pretty pink flowers, and it smells so good.
It's just amazing.
But it's
Look-
very dangerous. It has thorns.
Yeah.
So it's good protection for the bunnies and the quail from the hawks.
Look at all these flowers.
So they transplanted these 3 bundles.
Let me get on the sun side.
And what's cool is, look at, there's peach color and yellow color all on the same plants. But this is what our little plant broke off of. Just those 2 little chunks. Oh, there goes a lizard. Look at it.
Simply amazing what Kevin has done up here in this whole backyard.
Yep. And they've left some natural plants, like the lupin is natural, sagebrush, of course.
And what's the purple stuff they're growing on
Oh,
the
this is wisteria.
cheese board or whatever it's called?
The pergola. Cheese board.
What do you call those things?
A pergola.
No, the board with the food.
Oh, a charcuterie board.
Yeah, that's what I call this thing.
You're goofy. But look at their wisteria. It's all blooming. So pretty.
And they just planted that last year?
I think it's been a couple years.
Okay.
Couple
But they're
years.
gonna have it big. It covers the entire roof of this thing, the top.
Yep, our daughter Jolene and son-in-law Scott, they have wisteria all over their patio cover, and it is crazy. I mean, the stump, it's like this big, wrapping around their pillars going up.
Amazing.
So,
But this food board thing that you sit on here,
Pergola.
the pergola, goes over his waterfall, his creek, and his waterfall goes underneath. It's just so cool what he's done.
right here. Oh, lizard.
And then it
Oh, there's-
comes out this side, and there's the waterfall.
all by hand.
He dug it all by hand. Every rock you see, he moved by himself, by hand. It's just amazing.
Yeah, he built the pergola himself.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. Can you say amazing?
Amazing.
They are amazing.
It is. We
So
love
are
it
you
here.
guys. We
love it here.
appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, get notified when we put out a new video. Thank you guys for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise